Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix blank icon white background on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer like this guys. For example like this, any file or folder like this blank white in your back desktop. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to start menu and right click on the start button and go to run, and in here you need to type app app data data app click OK guys, and here is the opens up app data in your disk guys. You need to go to three dot icon over here and click on options and go to view option, view tab over here, and in here option guys, so hidden files, folders and drives, you just need to check mark here and apply and OK. After changing this, go to local, and in here you need to search for icon cache. In here icon cache, you just right click on it and you want to delete this guys. After deleting this, let's move on to the next step guys. One more step to do guys. Go to task bar over here and right click on it and go to task manager. In here you need to locate file explorer guys, Windows Explorer. For that you just need to scroll it down to downwards. It will find in down guys, and you just need to right click on it and you just need to click on restart button over here. Wait for it guys, it will take a little bit time. Now close out of here. Your problem has been resolved guys. Now you should good to go guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.